very important to pull your drainage fabric nice and tight so there's no wrinkles down the wall of the trench. You want to be able to take water in. If you have heavy overlap, and a wrinkle will cause that, what'll happen is the punched holes will not flow water because you can't line them up. 2 layers of fabric with thousands of punched holes, you're never going to get that to line up. So you can see that we cut it really, really close, and then we'll pull it and put a fabric pin in. But this is probably the one thing that we see done wrong, believe it or not, by those that even claim to be a contractor, a drainage contractor. We see them do this wrong all the time. They'll just bunch it up and put sod over it, and then they'll blame the fabric for not working. All right, everybody, until the next video.